Hello guys, in today's video we bring you a real beast on the two wheels, the OOTD T10 Pro, electric scooter with a dual motor of up to 2600 volt that literally catapults you forward. The combination of 11-inch off-road tires and a strong suspension gives incredible stability even on the bad terrain where the most others failed. With a battery range of up to 70 km and a top speed of up to 65 km per hour, this is a serious machine for those who want more than just a pure ride. For those who want to feel the power under their feet and that feeling of complete control. For more details, stay tuned and watch this OOTD T10 Pro video review. When the T10 Pro arrives on your address, the size of the box itself suggests that there is nothing standard inside. The box is well organized, with thick protective layers that keeps the scooter stable during transport. The real shock comes when you open it and try to take the scooter out. With its 40.5 kilograms of net weight, this is a device that requires a little planning from the start. The package comes with everything you need to get started. OOTD QR code so you can see the instructions online, so there is no classic user manual. There is also some handy tools inside. A 58.8 volt and a 3 amp charger that is relatively compact considering the battery capacity. The original OOTD hard travel case that you will mount on the handlebars if you need it. And now we have two kickstands to mount, as well as this rear fender. Assembly is quick, mostly down the lifting the handlebars, securing them and checking all the connections. With about 20 minutes we were ready out on the street. When you put it on its wheels and stand next to it, you feel like you are looking at a small electric motorcycle, not a scooter. The OOTD T10 Pro immediately hits you with its off-road look. Its design is raw, robust, and honestly, that's what gives it character. The iron frame clearly shows that the focus was on durability and longevity, not weight savings. When you look it up close, you can see thick tubes, solid joints, and the constructions that inspires confidence from the first touch. The generously wide massive dimensions of the platform mean that you have plenty of legroom in practice, and the wide deck gives you stability that is rarely seen on this category. You can stand relaxed with your feet in natural position without the need for constant balancing. The deck surface is well rubberized, which means that you have a good grip even if your ride is in slightly wet conditions. The mudguards are simple plastic but effective. They protect you from the splashes of water and dirt, which is important considering the IPX4 resistance to the light rain. The ambient lights on the side as well on the steering column itself gives the scooter an additional visual identity. It's not only there to look good, although it looks really impressive at night, but also to make you more visible in traffic. The dual power headlights is strong enough to clearly illuminate the road ahead, which is crucial when riding at higher speeds. The taillight is bright and clearly visible, especially when braking. They are also accompanied by turn signals, which are a big plus for the city driving because they allow better communication with other road users. When you get behind the wheel, you immediately notice that everything has been designed with functionality and quick access in mind. In the very center there is a colorful large LCD screen, one of the largest I've seen so far. That impressive screen shows large and legible numbers, all important information at all times: speed, remaining battery capacity, 3 driving modes, total distance travel, signal status. This screen is really great, visible even in direct sunlight, all thanks to the powerful backlight. Now let's take a detailed look at the handlebars. On the left, several key functionalities. Red button, single dual, switching between one and the two engines. Yellow button, Eco Turbo. Switch 1 to 3, selection of speed or driving mode. Electric bell button. Next we have switch with the left-right arrows for left and right direction indicators. Up there is the button for turning the lights on and off. On the left side we find a small voltmeter screen, battery voltage display, thumb throttle to accelerate, and the ignition key. The classic on and off the scooter is done just by inserting and turning the key. Everything is set up so that you can control it without taking your hand off the handlebars, which further increases safety while riding. Now when we talk about the T10 Pro, this is a moment where the specs stop meaning anything and raw power takes over. The dual motor setup pushing you up to 1300 watt per motor and the combined 2600 watt double doesn't build up slowly, it hit instantly the second you touch the throttle. There is no lag, no hesitation, the warming up phase, just pure aggressive acceleration that kicks immediately and push hard. It's that kind of power delivery that doesn't just move you forward, it launches you, making it clear this isn't a casual scooter but a serious high-performance machine. In city driving, but also in lower modes, you feel that you have reserves of power that most scooters simply do not have. Overtaking, accelerating at traffic lights, everything happens with ease, but the real story begins when you unlock its full potential. On flat sections, the scooter accelerates to high speeds without any problems, but what separates from the average is how it behaves when the conditions are not ideal. Up hills, uneven asphalt, a combination of terrain, the T10 Pro does not lose its rhythm. The declared inclination over 35 degrees is not just a number, in practice it means the scooter pulls constantly without feeling that it is struggling or losing power. Unlocking the speed further changes the whole experience. A simple procedure: hold the left brake and press the accelerator a few times and suddenly the scooter is no longer limited to 25 km per hour. Without load it goes about 65 km per hour, while in rear driving it reaches about 60 km per hour depending on the weight of the rider and the surface. And at that moment you realize this is no longer a classic scooter for easy riding, this is a serious means of transport that requires concentration, but in return it gives an incredible dose of adrenaline and freedom. The 52 watt and a 23.4 amp-hour battery on paper gives up to 70 km of range, but what is exactly more impressive is how it behaves in real conditions. In practice, the range will of course depend on the riding style. If you ride aggressively, use maximum speed and accelerate often, consumption will be higher, but even then the battery gives a feeling of reliability because there is no sudden drop in performance. For everyday rides, commuting, driving around the city or even longer weekend trips, this capacity is more than enough. Charging takes between 7 and 8 hours, which is standard for batteries of this size. One of the biggest advantages of this scooter comes to the fore when you leave the perfect smooth asphalt and head onto rougher roads, gravel and uneven surfaces. This is where the combination of a stereo suspension and large 11-inch tires comes into play. The front dual spring system with 1200 pounds springs and the rear with 2200 pounds are not just there for the sake of numbers. The difference in ride is very noticeable. When you go over holes, cracks or bumps, the scooter does not transmit every impact directly to you. Instead, most of it is eaten by the suspension and converted into much milder vibrations. That means that you can ride longer without fatigue, but also with more confidence because the scooter remains stable even when the terrain is unpredictable. The combination of suspension and tires makes this scooter truly capable of all-terrain riding. It is not limited to the city but can easily navigate outside of it. When you have a scooter that you can go over 60 km per hour, brakes stop being an option and become an absolutely priority. Further, the OOTD T10 Pro does not compromise here. Hydraulic disc brakes on the front and rear provide powerful but also extremely precise braking. Even at higher speeds, the scooter remains stable during braking without the feeling that it will lose the balance. All in all, the braking system gives the most important thing, confidence. And when you have confidence in brakes, riding becomes more relaxed and safer. The T10 Pro offers a lot, but it comes with a certain compromise to consider. The first and the most important is the weight. This is not a scooter for daily climbing stairs or combined with the public transport. It's more designed as a scooter that you drive, you park, you possibly transport in a car or store in a garage or apartment. So Fold here serves more as a practical for storage than for constant transportation. When you combine everything, power, suspension, tires, brakes and a stable frame, you get the driving experience that is hard to compare with the classic scooters. The OOTD T10 Pro is not a scooter that will try to please everyone, and that's exactly where its strength lays. This is a powerful machine that makes it clear what it offers at the first glance, and when you drive it, it becomes even clearer that it is made for those who want more than just a ride. It's heavy, brutal, raw, and requires a driver who knows what he is doing and who knows how it's to appreciate what this setup brings. And what it brings is exactly what sets it apart: a brutal dual motor that develops up to 2600 watts of power, acceleration that literally glues you to the deck, and the speed that crosses the boundaries of classic scooters and enter the territory of serious electric vehicles. This is the type of the scooter that you don't ride easily, but ride it with a smile, because every time you press the gas you feel how powerful it is. And to that, 11-inch off-road tires that grip your road like glue, a serious suspension that swallows bumps, and hydraulic brakes that give you confidence even when you are driving fast, and you get a package that is simply brutal. And yes, it looks as good as it runs, especially with that ambient lighting that gives it a real super cool vibe. But what's important to emphasize, these models don't stay in stock for long. Quantities are limited, and realistically, if you are considering a scooter like this is not something you leave it for later, because later could very well mean it's gone. If you want this beast on your garage, the advice is simple: hurry up and secure your OOTD T10 Pro while it's available. The official sales links is right below this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this review helps you, and see you soon in the next review. Until then, bye.